Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on the May Pen Bypass. This is the main road that takes you from May Pen to Mandeville. So on the south coast now you have the major towns, which are May Pen and Mandeville. And to get between the two, this is the road you have to drive on. So we're going through, and this is the main road. And I just want to state, this road is in a terrible state. The government has to do a better job. They can do a better job when it comes on to maintaining this road. Terrible state. This is a main road. This is what the people of Jamaica have to drive on. If you want to get anywhere on the south coast of the island, this is a road you have to use. And there is no reason for the road to be in the state like this other than, well, we'll leave it at that. There is no reason for the road to be like this. When you have hundreds of millions of dollars being spent on road repairs, and we all agree all the roads can't be fixed at once, but this is a main road. This is the only route you have to drive from May Pen to Mandeville to Santa Cruz. Basically, if you are leaving Kingston, this is the road you drive on, and it's a disgrace. There is no reason for the road to be in this state. None. Billions of dollars are being spent to build a highway from St. Thomas to Harborview, from Harborview to Portland. No problem. They need a road. But there is no way you can say or justify this road being in this state. No way. The money, I'm sorry, we're not going to get into that, but there is no excuse. They're going to expand the Northern Coastal Highway from 2 lanes to 4 lanes, and that's going to be the most expensive capital expenditure on roads in Jamaica, in modern Jamaica. Okay, and this is how they leave this road. Now, it didn't get bad overnight. There was no sudden earthquake or anything. This road has deteriorated over years. So we're not blaming any one administration, because many could. But today, this road is a disgrace, and there is no reason why the road should be in such a state. This road should be repaired. You don't have to make it into 4 lanes, but you can pave it over and do it properly, because there is no road on the north coast of Jamaica that is in this state. The Northern Coastal Highway that runs from Port Antonio to Negril, and those are, the north coast of Jamaica is a tourist section of Jamaica. That's where tourists come in. That's where you have the hotels. You would not find a road like this to connect anywhere between Port Antonio and Montego Bay, or Montego Bay and Negril. You will not find a road in this state. So why do they have this road on the south coast? You don't have a lot of tourist interest on this road. This is where you find the south coast of Jamaica. Let's just leave it at that. This road needs to be repaired, and it needs to be fixed as a priority. And it needs to be fixed properly, not just patched. It needs to be paved. Whatever they need to spend, they need to spend. No, more persons use this road than would use the Harborview to St. Thomas Road. More persons use this road than that highway that they're building between Harborview and Portland. Yet this road should have been fixed before that highway was built, or fix both of them at the same time. Instead of building that highway straight to Portland, build it to St. Thomas. Build it in phases, but this road should have been fixed before that highway. This road should be fixed before the Northern Coastal Highway is expanded. This road is needed. There is no other route. A highway is being built from May Pen to Mandeville, but it's not complete, and even then it's going to be a toll road, so you have to pay to use it. This is the main road. This is the road that's going to be used more than the highway. And look at the state of the road. It's a disgrace. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.